So, bearing in mind, we've got 24 litres just in that particular bucket. The 24 litres will give us 6 passes through this machine. 6 lots. So we're going to collect 6 times 800 mils. And we're going to dilute those 800 mils down to 1.2 litres, because the 60% is too strong. We want to go down to 40 for 2 reasons. The first is when we run it through the carbon, it does need to be under 50% for the carbon to work effectively. And secondly, most of the flavourings that we do are all designed to work on alcohol at 40%, because it then matches the commercial equivalent. A gin is normally 40% ABV, whiskey 40% ABV, brandy, rum, all the different ones are nearly always 40%. So that's why we're going to dilute it down from our 800 mils at 60% down to 1200 mils at 40%. So we're going to get 6 passes through the machine. 6 times 1.2 litres is going to give us 7.2 litres of alcohol from that bucket at 40%. So we're getting roughly 10 bottles of spirit. Now each time we put this into the machine, we've got those ceramic boil enhancers on the base. They want to remain in place. You might want to just give them a little rinse. But once this is finished running and we've collected our 800 mils, anything that is left in the still should be poured away. At 800 mils, we are collecting the optimum in terms of quality and strength. Once we go past that 800 mils, the quality drops considerably and the strength is a lot more diluted. So that's why we stop at 800 mils. And the rest we just throw away. Now some people say there's a little bit of alcohol left in it. Yes, there is. And if you want to collect it, fine. But please do it in a separate container. Let's move this away so that we've got the quality stuff at the start, and then if you want to collect some more, you can collect it in a separate container. So we would always recommend throwing the 3.2 litres of whatever's left away. Now, as I said, each time we'll take the ceramic saddles, we'll just give them a light rinse, put them back in the base. We'll also put a capful of distiller's conditioning into each of the 4 litres that we're going to run. Okay, so we'll come back after we've collected our 800 mils and we can talk about alcohol then.